In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the connected to Wi-Fi but no internet on your iPhone error. If you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it might be really annoying when it says that you're connected to Wi-Fi, but whenever you go and try and search something, you're just not getting any internet. So the very first thing I want you to do is swipe down. On the top right, it's going to bring you to your control panel, and then just turn on airplane mode and then turn it back off again. It's going to reset your mobile data, your internet, all of that stuff. Then from here, what I want you to do is go to your settings application. Once you do, it's going to look something like this, and just go over to Wi-Fi, which is the second option. And then you're going to see Wi-Fi on. So just toggle that off and toggle that on again. But what you can also do to whatever Wi-Fi that you're connected to, press the little I next to it, and then just press forget this network. Once you press forget this network, then you go back, it's going to show up in networks again. Then just, press on the network and then re-enter your password. And then, hopefully that reconnects properly and you're able to use Wi-Fi. And if that still doesn't work, go back to, your settings normally, and then go to general, which is right under battery. Scroll all the way down until you find transfer or reset iPhone. Press reset and then reset network settings. That's going to reset all of your network settings on your phone as if you just got your phone brand new, specifically only for your network settings. So it's not doing a factory reset. It's only for your network settings. So like any Wi-Fi passwords you have saved or anything like that, all of those things are going to be reset. Then while you're still in general, go over to software update and make sure that you are on a new version of iOS, because for some reason, if you're on a very old version of iOS and you haven't updated it in a while, that basically means that your operating system might not be running as smoothly as it should, and your operating system basically runs all your background applications, including your internet and all of that stuff as well.